DynaCool, Miele's fan-assisted cooling system, offers maximum flexibility in storing food. Uniform conditions throughout the cabinet ensure optimum freshness. Temperature layering is characteristic of refrigerators with static cooling. This should always be borne in mind when storing food, and that's why Miele developed dynamic cooling. DynaCool allows food to be placed anywhere within the cabinet. This is achieved using a ventilator to distribute cool air and moisture throughout the unit. Air is drawn in at the front and released at the rear. Thanks to DynaCool, air passes over the evaporator faster and more frequently than in conventional refrigerators, using refrigeration capacity to the full. Miele DynaCool.